Good evening, everyone. Tonight we will be working with um, Access, and in tutorial 1 we'll be creating a database. Now this is the Access program opened, and what we did was choose blank desktop database, and we were creating a document for Pinehill. First, I would like to start off by saying a database is meant to hold a large amount of data, more than a spreadsheet can hold or should hold. A database helps us to access that information quickly, whereas a spreadsheet helps us to tabulate and create graphs based on the data. A spreadsheet is edited by the user, while the database is accessed by applications that enter and modify data. Now here's the first table that we created, and we entered. First we changed this name of this column to teacher ID. Then we change this to first name, last name, degree, school. Now all of these, when you go to fields, the type is short text, excepting for this one, which is date and time, and it already puts a format there for us so that we don't have to change anything. We can just enter the date and it modifies it and keeps it in order, and there are other options like number, currency, yes, no, etc. We enter the information, then we hit tab, it goes to the other, we hit tab, it goes to the other, and it's as simple as just entering the information, and this is where you have a database. Now the most fun and interesting things were where we created the smart query, the form, and the reports. To create the queries, what I did was I selected the entire table, I hit the create tab, and I hit query wizard, and I followed the instructions. We use a simple query. We used first name, last name, and hire date to do this, and then we changed the name, and we created this query here, which is first name, last name, and hire date. Then we created a form where we use the table again to create this form, and we just hit on form, and it was automatically created. We also use a table to create a report. Once again, we hit create tab, we hit report, and the report was there. We edited it by making the box smaller to make sure that everything fits on one page. In order to make the box smaller, you have to click on that box, and then we fixed the page and we made sure that everything was visible, and there we have our database, and we have information that we need to access easily. It's as simple as that. Here is a finished report. Here is the forms that has individual teacher information and our queries, and that's my video for tonight. Thank you, everyone. My name is Chantel. Good night.